In some breaking news that's coming in, this is Param Bir Singh's plea, which is in the top court, which the top court heard. In fact, the ex-Mumbai CP, the court has now favoured transferring the probe to the CBI. The top court has asked for the CBI's reply in 1 week. Remember, this is the plea that Param Bir Singh, in fact, sought. And this probe, at this point in time, CBI has said it is ready to probe and will convey in an affidavit. So, court has ordered no further charge sheet until further orders. Those are the details coming in at this point in time. This is with regard to the latest as far as Param Bir Singh's plea is concerned. In fact, Param Bir had sought a probe by the CBI and not the police. Those are the latest details here coming in. Supreme Court has also said that Param Bir Singh needs to cooperate and that the probe agencies should probe, but no charge sheet should be filed until further orders. Harish joining us for more details. Harish, if you can tell us what the top court had said.
Yes, that's right. It's more relief coming in for the former police commissioner, Bombay Police Commissioner Param Bir Singh, because today Supreme Court has accepted his two more of his prayers. Even in fact, he had favored a CBI probe against into all his allegations and also against him because he did not trust the Maharashtra police for obvious reasons. He had said that all the investigation and probe should be transferred to CBI and Maharashtra police should not be carrying out the investigation, and that has been in a way allowed by the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court favors the CBI probe, but it has sought the CBI's view whether you can take over the probe, whether you can be entrusted with the probe. Prima facie, Supreme Court is of the view that since other aspects of the matter, like the CBI is already probing the former Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, the allegations leveled by Param Bir of the bribery allegation, and number two, even the conversation between Param Bir Singh and the DGP Sanjay Pandey, wherein Sanjay Pandey allegedly asks Param Bir Singh to withdraw his complaint against Anil Deshmukh. In that case, all the allegations, such inquiry against him would be withdrawn. Even that is being probed by CBI. So, Supreme Court bench led by Justice Sanjay Pandey said since most of the major portion of the matter is already with the CBI, why can't this aspect of the matter also be probed by CBI? So in fairness of things, it fits in that CBI comes into this matter also and probe the allegations against Param Bir, and also because the complaint by Param Bir is also being probed by CBI. So in a way, it looks like the Supreme Court is interested to hand over the entire matter to the CBI. But before that, it has sought an affidavit from the CBI. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta appeared for CBI and said that CBI is willing to take over the probe. If it is being entrusted to CBI, it is ready to take over the probe, but said it wants to put everything in an affidavit and submit to the court. For the affidavit, CBI has been given 1 week's time to file an affidavit in this regard, whether it is ready to take over the probe or not. And the other relief for Param Bir Singh is that CBI has said that Param Bir should continue to cooperate with the probe, but there can't be any coercive action, and investigation can go on, but charge sheet cannot be filed. This is another very significant relief for Param Bir Singh. So in a way, it has been a positive hearing for Param Bir Singh once again, and this comes a week after Supreme Court had also last week given him relief by saying that he should not be arrested, and it is after that assurance that the Param Bir Singh had come out of hiding. He had surfaced in Mumbai and appeared before the Chandival Commission. But 3 days ago, he was suspended. So now, as of now, it's relief for Param Bir Singh because of two major reasons, as I said. Number one, CBI may be entrusted with the probe and not the Maharashtra police, which according to me, is not free and fair and is biased against him. Number two, he should cooperate with the probe probe shall go on, but charge sheet cannot be filed. So in a way, it's a welcome order for Param Bir Singh, but CBI has been given an opportunity to file an affidavit and make it stand clear whether it is ready to ready to take over the Param Bir Singh aspect of the matter. Also, back to you.
All right, Arish, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details.